Our devotional thought from Proverbs today comes from Proverbs chapter 3, beginning with verse 21. My child, don't lose sight of common sense and discernment. Hang on to them, for they will refresh your soul. They are like jewels on a necklace. They will keep you safe on your way, and your feet will not stumble. You can go to bed without fear. You can lie down and sleep soundly. This devotional thought I call common sense. For some reason today, Christianity, especially Pentecostal charismatic Christianity, seems to want to throw common sense out the window. We have somehow allowed ourselves to think that being led by the Spirit means turning your brain off and not having any common sense. But I want you to notice something, brothers and sisters. There are some good, beautiful blessings that flow from just having common sense. Now look at the list of them here. Number 1, common sense refreshes the soul. Number 2, common sense should not be something you're ashamed of. It should be worn like the jewels of a necklace. Thirdly, common sense will keep you safe. Fourthly, common sense will keep you from stumbling. Fifthly, common sense will allow you to go to bed without being afraid. Lastly, common sense will let you sleep soundly. Now, beloved, sometimes let's quit trying to be so spiritual and let's just have common sense.